Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you my Shouwuhho Guitar Stand. I was gifted this item to test it out and share my experience about it. Let's get it assembled and I'll show you how it turns out. I come from a family of musicians, and as our instrument collection started to grow, the problem we came across was how to figure out where to safely store and display all of our instruments. I also needed a place to store our other accessories such as the amplifier, records, books, or other accessories and gear. This guitar stand can hold 4 instruments total, whether acoustic or electric guitars, bass, ukulele, banjo, or even cellos. It also has 3 shelves that can be used to store the different gears or accessories as well, which works out nicely for music studios or even home studios. It also has a nice design and color combination. I actually like the combo of wood and black metal, which provides a stylish and modern look. The guitar holders have a V-frame design, and that helps provide flexibility to be able to accommodate thick or thin instruments. It also has a rubber coating, which prevents it from scratching or damaging the surface of the instruments. That is actually an important feature for me because I like to make sure that our instruments are well taken care of. The rubber coating also helps grip the guitar so it doesn't slide around. Overall, it is a beautiful and stylish stand that helps hold multiple instruments, and it also helps keep them organized, along with all the various accessories and gears that go with it. If you're looking for a convenient way to store your guitars, or even as a gift for those music lovers in your life, be sure to check this out.